Hi and welcome back to my channel. There seems to be a big trend right now on how much money people make from YouTube. So I thought I'd do it for the main person that really is just starting out, like myself really, with quite a few YouTube videos behind me now, about 30. And how much does YouTube pay me and how much is my total income from YouTube and affiliates, if you like. I've got a total now of 60,000 views, which is probably not bad actually when you think about it. 60,000 is a lot of people. I don't know 60,000 people, but I'm pleased you're watching and very nice to meet you. So firstly, I'm going to talk about how much money have I earned from affiliate marketing. By that I mean teaming up with people like Amazon, put the links below on my videos on YouTube as to where I bought my equipment and any demos that I've given. In other words, I do technology reviews. So if I put links as to where they're from, usually you can get a small percentage that adds to your income. Well, my total income from affiliate marketing so far is zero. Why? Because I thought I haven't got enough views to make sense of that just yet, but it is a plan for later on. So I just thought I'd let you know that, and it's an opportunity waiting to be had, but I've decided not to do it just yet. Number two, consultancy. How much money have I earned from that? Well, that's when people send you products. They may want you to do a video review of it and pay you. Maybe they use it for themselves, or maybe they pay you to do a YouTube video. Other areas where they ask you to do reviews of 2 or 3 different products. At the moment, my total income as a consultant in that area is zero. Again, because I haven't got enough views, because eventually I will contact suppliers and ask them to send me products, etc., etc. Now, there is a problem with that. When you look at the tech reviews by the main tech reviewers that have 2, 3, 4 million subscribers, they get all their phones, etc., for free. And there's a concern there. If you actually get the product for free and you don't like the product, what happens? Do you give a bad review, or do you omit some of it, or you're a bit kinder than what you would normally be? I don't know, but it does raise a big dilemma, because right now I was interested in buying the Note 10 Plus videos, and all the reviews are fantastic except for a few minor ones, and they're from people that don't have many subscribers, and they seem to be giving a much more honest review. Interesting. So at the moment, total income as a consultant at the moment is zero. The next big one, 60,000 views, which is, you know, a lot. I think in my mind, quite a lot. New to this. I enjoy it a lot doing these videos, by the way. But my total income from YouTube at this moment of time, unfortunately, it's the same as the other two, zero. The reason is you've got to have now 1,000 subscribers before you can be truly monetized. I only have about 220. So make sure you subscribe, get me to 1,000, and then I can tell you how to do it, etc., etc. But this is for my fellow YouTuber that doesn't have the million subscribers, doesn't get the 20 million hits, etc., etc., etc. But it's a lot of fun. I do it for fun. Do not pack in your full-time job if you're planning to, and just keep at it. I think the key is to keep on doing videos. Hope you enjoyed it and really subscribe to this channel. Thanks.